too big.
You can do it.
I can't do it.
Yeah, you can.
No, I'm serious. It won't fit.
Want me to push?
No. No.
This way.
Ow. No, ow. Ow.
You can do it.
I can't.
Yeah. You can totally do it.
I'm stuck. Can you bring me my cereal?
You want milk?
Yeah. Thank you. Can you take a picture of me right now on my phone and send it to Adam? Tell him I tried to get through but I couldn't.
Where's your phone?
On the table.